I'm Antonella, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pizza. First, you have to have the right ingredients. Oil, a pizza cutter, cooking spray, yeast, a bowl, cheese, a pizza pan, salt, water, pepperoni, sauce, and flour. First, you add 3 cups of flour. Then, make a little volcano. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Afterwards, add a little bit of salt. Next, take some hot water and add yeast. Use 11 grams of yeast. Mix it slowly. Activate the yeast, adding some sugar. Wait until you see something move and add it to the flour. Add some water and start mixing. Use your fingers to mix and make a dough. Put some flour on your hand so it doesn't get sticky, and then make it into a ball. Once you have a ball, grab some flour and spread it on the table. And get the dough and knead it in the flour. Then grab a pizza cutter and cut it to make 2 pizzas. Make 2 balls. Afterwards, get 2 oil bowls and put each one of them in the bowl. And now put a wet towel on top of them. Let it sit for 1 hour. Now you need to ask your parents to preheat the oven for 450 degrees. Remember the little balls? Now the dough has grown. Now, grab some flour, put it on the table, and now, like we did before, put it back on the table and then spread it and make it like a pizza. Now roll the edge. Now put some cooking spray on the pan. Now put some sauce on the pizza and spread it out. Now put some cheese on the pizza. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other pizza. Now the pizza's ready to go in the oven. Ask your parents for help. Now leave it in the oven for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, ask your parent to take the pizza out. Now cut the pizza. And it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching.